All women should take this plant, the plant of eternal youth. The herb Pueraria mirifica. For over 100 years, Pueraria mirifica root has been used in traditional Thai medicine to promote youth and rejuvenation in both men and women. Certain plant compounds known as phytoestrogens make up the primary active ingredients of Pueraria mirifica. It mimics the estrogen hormone in your body. Pueraria mirifica herb. It is one of the rare plants that belong to the hornwort family, and it grows frequently and is found in Myanmar and northeastern Thailand. Pueraria herb is known by more than one name, so it is called Pueraria mirifica, Kwao Kudzu or fountain of youth, Japanese arrowroot. The importance of the Pueraria herb is due to its high content of plant compounds known as phytoestrogens, which are said to mimic the estrogen hormone in a woman's body. Because it contains a large proportion of phytoestrogen compounds, the Pueraria herb is included in the manufacture of medicines intended for women, as it is available in pharmacies in the form of capsules, pills, or creams. Pueraria was used in traditional Thai medicine to treat many diseases, but it is frequently used among women for its enormous ability to treat health problems that afflict them, most notably its role in increasing breast size. What are the benefits of Pueraria herb? Despite the progress witnessed in the field of medicine in recent years, some people resort to the use of natural herbs as a treatment for diseases that afflict them, and Pueraria is one of those herbs. The Pueraria herb has many benefits for human health, especially for women, as it is frequently used to treat some gynecological diseases because this herb contains compounds similar to estrogen. So in this paragraph, we will mention the most important benefits of Pueraria herb. Pueraria herb helps reduce menopausal symptoms. Pueraria herb increases sexual desire. Pueraria herb treats the problem of vaginal dryness. Pueraria vulgaris promotes healthy vaginal tissues. Pueraria herb relieves vaginal irritation. Pueraria herb improves mood. Albuerria treats the problem of night sweats. Pueraria herb improves bone health. Bueraria protects against osteoporosis. Pueraria herb delays the signs of aging. Puerariasis delays the onset of white hair in the elderly. Pueraria play a role in providing the skin with vitality and luster. Pueraria herb is frequently used among women in order to increase breast size naturally. Pueraria migraine increases the number of lymphocytes in the chest. Pueraria herb helps balance female hormones. Pueraria herb relieves symptoms of menopause. Pueraria herb helps regular menstruation. Pueraria herb reduces hot flashes that affect women after menopause. Pueraria herb promotes heart health. Pueraria herb improves the function of blood vessels, promotes brain health, and protects it from damage. Pueraria herb contributes to the protection of the nervous system from diseases, improves antioxidant activity. Antioxidants are chemical compounds that reduce the level of stress and oxidative damage in your body, which can cause disease. Some test tube studies show that Pueraria mirifica may have antioxidant properties. Phytoestrogens found in plants can play a role in increasing and improving the function of certain antioxidants in your body, may have anti-cancer effects. Another potential health benefit of Pueraria mirifica is its ability to slow the growth of cancer cells and tumors. Some in vitro studies suggest that the plant and its phytoestrogen compounds may inhibit the growth of several breast cancer cell lines. Moreover, the study revealed a protective effect against cancer in mice after supplementing with a specific compound derived from Kwao known as miroestrol. Although these results are promising, it is too early to make definitive claims about the role of this herbal supplement in preventing cancer in humans. More research is needed. It can promote heart health. Pueraria mirifica can also benefit your heart, especially since heart health can be affected by lower estrogen levels during and after menopause. Estrogen is involved in the metabolism of fats and sugars in the body. Low estrogen levels can negatively affect factors that affect your heart health, such as high cholesterol, increased inflammation, and weight gain. A 90-day study in rabbits with low estrogen production on the effect of Pueraria mirifica on arterial function found that supplementation led to a significant improvement in vascular function compared to the control group. May support brain health. Estrogen plays an important role in maintaining a healthy brain and nervous system. Pueraria mirifica is often used as an aid in the treatment of conditions associated with low estrogen levels, particularly related to menopause in women. Research on this herbal supplement is limited. Therefore, not much is known about its safety, although only some negative effects have been reported. Be careful and be sure to talk to your doctor before adding Pueraria mirifica to your health and wellness routine. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates.